Hello, and welcome to another update on uranium energy. Wanted to start here on the larger time frame. Obviously, one of the more bullish charts right now. I've been covering it for a long time, and the chart is in breakout mode in a third wave, especially in a third wave of a third wave from an Elliott wave point of view. Typically, the most aggressive trends happen. So a breakout like this is not a surprise. A lot of people are waiting for an internal pullback within this third wave, and so we are going to take a look at the shorter time frame in a minute. There is one bearish scenario as well. I have to show it to you. However, this is only a reasonable alternative and would only come into focus once upside momentum breaks. And in this scenario, the market formed a full 5-wave move up from the 2020 low. But I do not see that as very realistic for various reasons I don't want to get into. But technically, yeah, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means this might have been an A wave, this might have been a B wave, and this is a C wave. I just have to be, responsible and show you that one, because it means that, if we now start to break support levels, we could really literally collapse. I have to show it to you so that nobody can say, oh, nobody talked about that, this could happen. It can, yeah. But for now, the trend is up. And until actually support levels really start to break, this year is not something to focus on, because there will always be a bullish and a bearish scenario. But we have way more bullish ones right now. On the shorter time frame for UEC, we still see an active and aggressive uptrend. A pullback is due. We are still holding in the trend channel that we talked about in the last videos. And I said to you last time, we can really only consider that this internal wave 4 pullback within the larger third wave has started once we get a break below the lower boundary line of the trend channel. So at the moment we're moving in this trend channel, we've reached the upper boundary line. It's very much reasonable that we now get a pullback back to the lower trend line again, and if we break below it, then the focus will shift to this Fibonacci support zone labeled for wave 4, and support here is between $9.44 and $13.19. I prefer the white scenario, in which the market could move up quite aggressively, but still this wave 4 could be an opportunity. I mean, we're here in a mode where pullbacks can be opportunities. The wave 2 structure is also a possibility. That's here on the smaller time frame. Let's say short-term more bearish, but also bullish. In this scenario, the market formed 5 waves up like this in wave 1, and then the wave 2 pullback like this would unfold next. Yeah, but we need a break below $9.44 to start to favor the orange scenario over the white scenario. But even this one would be eventually bullish. Now, in the very short term, therefore, we're waiting for signals that UEC has formed the top. Doesn't mean I'm bearish, right? This just means that we're just waiting for the structure to confirm that we are in the white scenario, and that can only happen through the next pullback if it holds here a higher low. And so the next support I can offer is the lower boundary line, which is currently coming in around $14. Next resistance is at $19.60. That gives you just a quick update here and all the relevant levels. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.